Hello, Moncescans, mga anak!
Are you ready for a new kitchen discovery?
Have you seen the movie Turning Red? That movie was set right here in Toronto. In the movie, I noticed that one of the snacks that the little girl was eating was a steamed bun, or what we call in the Philippines as siopao. So that is what we're going to make today.
Please check the description down below for the list of the ingredients. We are going to combine the warm water, the yeast, and sugar and set it aside to bloom for about 5 minutes. Now, in our larger bowl, we add the baking powder, the sugar, and I whisk this first before adding the salt. Now the recipe said 1 pinch, but I usually put 3 pinches of salt just to give it more taste. Now here's the yeast that has bloomed, which we add to the dry mixture. Mix with a spoon. And I wanted to show you that the dough is a bit stringy. But when you add the oil, it'll be more easy to knead. So onto a floured surface, just keep kneading until you're able to form a ball. We set this aside for about 50 minutes. Meanwhile, you can cut up some parchment paper. This will keep your buns from sticking to the steamer. When the dough is ready, form it into a log and then using your bench knife, cut it up into your desired number of pieces. I made 12 pieces. And then we roll it into a ball. Do this for all of the pieces. And now we have 12. These steamed buns will be filled with pork asado. And I'll show you a different video on how to make that. But you can put any kind of filling you like. I cook this ahead and refrigerate so it's easier to form and put in the dough. Here we take one dough ball and flatten it into a circle. Just keep rolling, and then for the sides, make it thinner and have a thicker center. This will help your bun not to leak. I like using the small rolling pin that I found in the Chinese store. Okay, now we put on the filling. See, take one side and do small pleats. Do this slowly if you haven't done this yet. And it takes a bit of practice. You're like making little money bags. And then hold all the top, twist and pinch, and there you go. Let's do it again. Make the pleats, pinch, twist, and there. Now we put each of the buns on top of the parchment paper and into our steamer. Don't make them stick to each other. And I put some vinegar into the water for steaming to make the dough white. Okay, so now in goes our little buns. Are you feeling hungry now? Here's another layer. And you can use your electric steamer or a bamboo steamer as long as it's something to steam with. And after about 25 to 30 minutes, here we go. They are ready. And back to the movie Turning Red. My steamed buns may not look as perfect, but they sure taste so good. It's nice and bouncy, and when you open it, it's soft and delicious inside. Did I make you crave for a steamed bun now? Well, then you should like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.